Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Shapiro. I'm a plastic surgeon certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. I've been performing cosmetic or aesthetic plastic surgery in the Scottsdale Paradise Valley area since 1992, and that's all I do. You know, a lot of people come into me asking about facelifts and what the best alternative to a facelift. And I try to be very honest with patients. A lot of people I see are great candidates for a facelift, and they may not have the time for recovery, or they may not have the financial resources to undergo the surgery. And those are people that I say either do something non-invasive or wait and do the real thing. The reason being is just your face, for God's sake, and you really don't want to minimize the importance of having appropriate treatment for your face. I have a lot of people that, that their aging process has really become important to them, and they want to have the best result. So the best alternative for a facelift is probably some variation of a facelift. If you're not a candidate and don't want to do non-invasive treatments, or you feel that you're tired of doing those, and if you can't afford or feel that a facelift really isn't right for you at this point, you don't like that word, I've devised something called a Gen X lift here in Scottsdale, Arizona. And a Gen X lift is specifically exactly what it sounds like. It's a lift for the Generation X people. So Gen X people are anywhere between 33 and 53, and these are people that have the signs of aging with skin changes, volume loss, and cheek and jowl formation with or without neck laxity. And these are a lot of the people that I see that are facelift candidates or may not need a full facelift per se. The beauty of a Gen X lift is that it's a variated procedure. And basically what I can do is give you options based upon what you're looking for. In those patients that don't have much facial aging along the jowl and neck region, generally I can get by with doing some laser resurfacing, like a 4-day laser peel, along with some fat transfer. As the neck starts to be more prominent in terms of aging, I can add things to it, either some non-invasive treatments for the neck area like Ulthera, or do something like some liposuction or something to stimulate neck tightening. And then finally, as people get more pronounced aging, I can do the formal Gen X lift, which is actually a short scar facelift along with some fat transfer and some laser resurfacing. The beauty is that these all can be done in the office under local anesthesia. And I have people that have done many of these and they love them. I think it's a wonderful alternative if you feel that emotionally you're not ready for a facelift, you don't like the word yet. You find that financially, when I do a full face, eyes, and brow with some fat transfer, that tends to be, expensive. And I think that the Gen X lift is more competitively priced for you to make you feel like you're not breaking the bank, but you're not shortchanging yourself in terms of the result. I do not tell people to do a Gen X lift when I think that they would really benefit from a full facelift. I think the Gen X lift is for those people that are in that window, that have mild to moderate age-related changes in their face, and they want to look better. So the best way to understand the alternatives to a facelift is to understand what's available, either non-invasive or more invasive techniques. And when you're talking about the invasive techniques, don't shortchange yourself. You've seen many, many advertisements for things like a lifestyle lift. They went out of business. The reason being is that was a procedure that was meant for everybody. The Gen X lift is tailored to each patient, where I specifically devise a plan that will benefit you in a specific manner to give you the best result possible with the least amount of downtime and to make it so it's much more reasonable financially. So overall, I think there are many options for you if you're not ready or willing to have a full facial rejuvenation. The best way to get an idea is come in for consultation. Here in Scottsdale, I do a lot of Gen X lifts, and I think it's a wonderful procedure. Thank you.